Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I had my chart on. You can see it. We're approaching our first area of um, profit target. Okay, we hit that area now, and hopefully we go up there and hit the second contract now. So, um, as I mentioned, I thought you guys could see. I'm sorry about that. I had my 12 range chart blown up so you could see that, but I didn't have the chart trader where you could actually see the trade going, taking see the trade itself. So we're two ticks away, two ticks, one tick away from hitting the next profit area. And as I mentioned, I want to see price could push through this area here at 87 and maybe come up here to 91. But hopefully we can go ahead and get filled on this trade right here. Um, to the channel here, this is Future Trading with Mike, and I am looking at the Emini S&P 500 futures today, the 24th of November. Even though we are markets open, normal close today, but even though we are this is a holiday week, we have a little activity this morning, so I am just kind of looking to see what's going on. Last 2 days and moving sideways. There are opportunities in which you still can trade if you know how to trade correctly. So let's see. So um, basically, what's taking place here is that the market moving sideways, but the market pushed down here, taking out a few stops, taking out some areas where there was kind of money resting in the market, and then it turns back around. It didn't take these lows here out, but it did turn back around to pretty much retrace back or pull back to the area where the selling took place, which was probably done by the institutions. I'm not sure, um, but regardless of the fact, there was a lot of selling that took place here. Markets running back up to this level, to this area here, and um, so yeah, that's what that is what I am looking at. So let's blow this up a little bit so I can see this a little bigger. Okay. Uh, let's see. Okay, so put this area here to the downs. Okay. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see. Trying to see what the market's trying to do here. So we had this. Well, let's see if I can show you guys that big run from the downside a couple of days ago. I mean, from the upside to the downside. So that was a major move done by the institutions, hitting these stops, all these stops along the way, and collecting that money. So, um, so let's see here. Hmm. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, got a lot of congestion right here. I'm not sure what they're trying to do here, but let's see. So they ran the market back. The market pushed, traced back up to this area right here, and um, started selling short. This was an area where the market yesterday at 9, about 10 o'clock yesterday. Paused there on a retracement pullback, back up, and then it pushed the market lower, taking out these lows right here, and then it came back up and tested that area because this was the area where there were orders put on to sell the market even lower. Okay, so now the market, which means it broke structure here to the downside, breaking these lows, this low right here. So when it did that, it's coming back up here to test this area here. So there's a possibility it could, it's already tested, it has not broken this area here yet. So um, it possibly could, try to run to the upside now and break these highs now, this high right here. So we'll see. I'm not sure. It's just moving sideways in a wedge right now, so you got to be careful with that. But it did come back down here, creating some lows right here, what I call equal, similar lows, whatever you want to call it. So let's see. Make this a little larger so I can see what's going on here. I'll probably focus on my 12 range, most times, guys. Well, pretty much that is my primary chart that I take a look at. I'm always looking at. Um, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, price breaks this candle right here. I want to see it run back to the upside here. I'll move back up to the upside. It should. If it breaks this area right here, then we should get a push. Let me take a look here. Um, let's see. Yeah, we should get a push back up to the upside. We'll see here. See what happens here. Price has got to break this area right here. And I might take a trade if I see that happen. But it could break this red line, this area right here, and then pull back. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's a double top right here. I don't take trades like that. It's a no-no for me. I don't trade all double tops, double lows, triple top, triple lows. I don't do that, guys. That's a no-no. So basically, price is doing now is as it was moving to the downside here, pulling back, and then pull back up here. It's making similar highs now. So, but either way, I mean, I'm looking for price to see what's going to do here. Let's see. See if it's going to push higher above this red line and pull back. Okay, so price is kind of just moving sideways right here, building volume in this area right here. And I don't know if it's going to break this area or not. If it does break this area to the upside, like I said, um, um, then I'll take a trade. Going long, hospital and pullback. We'll see what happens here. Load this up a little bit. Okay. So I'm not sure what it's going to do here. Uh, okay, long. I know price could pull back. 86.75. First contract here. 86.25. Price could pull back. It could pull back to this area right here. It's somewhere, eh, yeah, somewhere around 79.50 possibly. I saw the break here and I went long, but you want to take the trade on the pullback, like I always tell you guys. I'm aggressive in my style of trading, so that's why I took that trade there. I'm going long, but the trade is on a pullback, and this would be back to an area pretty much of demand if you take this trade on a pullback. So, or just an area, where there's a level sitting there, I should say. Okay, so if it pulls back, pushes higher, and then you have an area of demand here to where price could. What it's doing right now, you see it pulling back. Okay, so pulls back. It's pulled back to this area, to this level, sitting right here. Okay, all right, and then pushes higher and pulls back. There's an area of demand will be resting there then. So what that means is that there's more buying that took place in this area. So I'm wanting price to come up here and take out this area right here. Um, 86.25. Okay. I'll tell you what I do. I'm gonna put my first contract here and then the second one. Let's see. Yeah, let's do this right there. Okay, I know price could pull back, so I may take a little heat on this trade, but um, I'm pretty confident that price is going to come up here and test this area here and possibly push higher. So, okay, and if it pushes through this area, it could actually break this area here too at 95. So first breaking this area here at 87, breaking this area here at 91, and then come up here and breaking out 95. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Okay, so we're approaching our. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I had my chart on. You can see it. We're approaching our first area of profit target. Okay, we hit that area now, and hopefully we go up there and hit the second contract now. So, um, as I mentioned, I thought you guys could see. I'm sorry about that. I had my 12 range chart blown up so you could see that, but I didn't have the chart trader where you could actually see the trade going, taking see the trade itself. So we're 2 ticks away, 2 ticks, 1 tick away from hitting the next profit area. And as I mentioned, I want to see price could push through this area here at 87 and maybe come up here to 91. But hopefully we can go ahead and get filled on this trade right here. Let's see. Yeah, we should get filled here. Just a couple of ticks away here. See if price runs up there and hits that 86.5 area. This will be my last trade, guys. I just wanted to kind of take a few trades for you today on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving holiday. I get a lot of emails, people asking about doing a paid subscription or doing a live sessions. Guys, I don't really have the time on my schedule to do actually live sessions. Um, so I'm doing these recordings and kind of making them to where I have time on my schedule to do it and then post them online for you guys. I mean, it's either that or I don't do them at all. So um, I never, like I said, intended to do these recordings, but I'm just doing these recordings to maybe someone will become, inspired or, interested in how I trade. I don't trade any different than most anybody else really. I mean, I'm following what the institutions are doing and trading, making moves with making moves while they're making the moves. Okay, one tick away. And that's all I'm doing, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade out here. All right, got filled. All right, so give me 1 second. Okay, so as I explained to you guys, below the 12 range up again. I was waiting for price to break this area right here, that candle right there. When it did, there's an area right here. There's a level sitting right here that price could have pulled back to, but basically when price broke this candle to the upside and broke again to the upside, and then the second candle, I knew it was going higher. It could have pulled back to possibly around the 79, 80 area right here, this high volume area, which at that point you probably want to take a trade below this area here, maybe at 79. But I knew it would probably come up here and test this area. If it breaks through this area, it's going to probably come up here and run and test 91. But yeah, just getting back to what I was saying about, I get a lot of people asking me to do a lot of trading, meaning actually through I guess a streaming service or whatever the case is. I don't have the time to do that, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. It may be something I do in the future, but I'm just doing these videos as of right now because, originally I just wanted, I was posting a few videos to see if people would take interest in wanting to see someone trade the Emini S&P 500 futures, and there's really no difference, guys. I mean, trade live or not trade live, you guys see me like take my trades as I take my trades. Unless you want me to go back to the old way of what I was doing when I had my camera behind me or on the side of me and showing my charts, where you can see not only my chart but my screens as well, and watching me do it that way. But I just don't have the time to do live streaming, a service type thing, and maybe something in the future. I said this in a video before. I am a very, very busy person. Outside of trading, which is kind of like what I do in the morning time, whatever the case is. But after that, I shut it down after trading a few hours. Most times I'm not trading past 12 o'clock. 11:30 maybe the tops for me, and then I have other business things that I have to take care of. So it may be something I think about in the future if time affords me the opportunity to be able to do so. But it was never my intention to do any type of paid subscription or offer any type of service paid wise. I just wanted to do these videos, for free to individuals, or for pretty much my own leisure, being able to record my recordings and my trades and post it to my channel, whatever the case is. But that's just where I stand right now with that. I'm not saying I won't do it in the future. It just depends. But I never had the intentions of wanting to sit here and charge someone money for, watching me trade. I mean, really, why? I mean, seriously, like, I mean, you could learn this stuff on your own. I mean, I discuss each one of my trades, and I keep saying, when someone tells you like what you need to do, in a sense, like in order to be able to begin your journey in trading, you have to understand market structure. I'm laying these, I'm giving these tips because market structure, price action, order flow. Understand all those things. At the fundamentals of trading. Understand how the market moves. Understand first and foremost, why does the market move the way it does? Who drives the market? And you have to be able to trade like them. You can come up with all kind of different strategies, whatever the case is, and trade kind of against the institution. A lot of people do that, trading against it. It's like I have a rule. I don't trade double tops, triple tops, triple lows, double lows, whatever you want to call them. I don't do that because I know that's a short-term move. I trade in what I see that I know the market's actually going to do. And you have to be able to identify areas in the market where there's money resting in the market. And you got to think like the big players. Like, what are they going to do? They see that money sitting out there resting there, you know. And what they have to do to make money is like here. They have to put on orders, sell orders, because they know there's a lot of buying that took place here in these areas right here. Okay, boom, they come up here, they drive the market lower. As I said this before, hitting all these stop orders. Okay, collecting that money, and then at some point they're going to turn the market back around and push it higher and come back to the entry point where they got into the position at, and then possibly maybe push the market lower. That's how you have to see this. That's how you have to follow. That's how you have to understand this. So, I don't really know, like me doing live page subscriptions. That's just it's just the trade sessions can be long. And sometimes it can be an hour long. So I don't have that kind of time on my trading schedule. No, excuse me, not on my trading schedule. My daily schedule to be able to do something like that, and then on top of that to go on and answer a bunch of questions, and I just don't have the time. That's why I said if we can get the channel to 1,200 subscribers, this is where what I'm willing to do. Let's get the channel to 1,200 subs. Okay, by me doing this and saying this, I need for you guys. This is where if someone wants to win that opportunity, and I probably would do it, I'll make time every single month with one individual. If we can, as the channel grows, whatever the case is. So, you help me, I help you. That's what I'm willing to do here, guys, and that's how I'm going to play this. Is that let's see the channel grow. I want to see growth. I want to see that people are taking interest in what I'm doing here by posting these recorded live sessions. And if I see that, and you guys help me grow the channel, you guys have the power to do so. You have social media platforms. You have outlets you can plug into, to where you can share the channel, share the video, share. On YouTube, there's a share button, excuse me. Click that share button. Share it across your social media platform. Share it across, to friends and individuals that may be interested in the same type of, information. Someone else that you may know may be interested in trading. You may inspire someone or to want to get into trading, whatever the case is. But I can't do it alone. My part is doing what I'm doing, and that's posting the videos. If you guys can help the channel grow, then from there, I would do some mentorship type things to where I'll do more like I said, I will afford someone the opportunity to, for free, basically through a raffle. The name will be drawn, not by me. It'll be an electronic raffle where people will be able to go into and click and enter a raffle, and pretty much the electronic system will choose the person that wins, whatever the case is, that time round, to do a couple of sessions free of charge. And I'll make time on my schedule to do so. If that works well, and we can, the channel continues to grow, then I'll do another one. I'll try to set up one every single month. But first, we got to get the channel to 1,200 subs. That's with the help of you guys. If you guys can do that, then we'll move forward, and I will, do these type things. So, but charging people money for a subscription to watch me, that's just, to me, I'm not saying it's a waste of time, but it's just time that's not, that I don't have. And I know what it's going to do is it's going to open up a door for a lot more questions, because some people are going to understand some things and people aren't, and I don't have the time to do that in my schedule. And, you guys have to understand that, like I don't have a training seminar. I don't have a training class. I don't have an education or an academy to where, some people have things like that set up, and I don't know how well they work. I don't know if they really know how to trade correctly, whatever the case is. Not saying they don't, but I don't know what they charge. They may charge thousands of dollars. They may charge hours, hundreds of dollars per session, or hundreds of dollars per hour. I don't know. So I'm not in the business or the mind frame to be able to want to do things like that. I just want to be able to share my knowledge, the information that I know at hand, and share it with you guys through my videos and offer something for free. And if it works, I'll do it time and time again. But you guys got to help with this. I get some emails, and I've said this in several videos. I'm putting this, guys, in you guys' court. I'm putting the ball in your hands. Help me grow the channel, and then I'll force someone the opportunity, not just someone, but several individuals, and we may do it every single month. Somebody has the opportunity to win a free mentorship program or free mentorship mentorship sessions with me. It could be 3 or 4. I run it for we do one a week. Give a couple sessions, and next week, the following month, somebody else, and then the next month, someone else. But you guys want something from me to be able to, I guess explain more in detail or answer questions, whatever the case is, or show you, then you help me, I help you. That's how I'm going to work. And it's free to you. So, I mean, who else would you get that from? In a sense, it's like I'm giving something away for free, and all I ask is something intangible in a sense of just sharing the videos, and helping me grow the channel. That's it. So that's going to be it, guys, for today's session here. I did a couple trades there, and hopefully we run up here and the market hits this area here and pushes higher. But watch, at some point it's going to come back up here. Okay. But that's it, guys. If you have already subscribed to the channel, thank you. If you've been liking the videos, I thank you. Share the videos with other individuals. Hopefully we can get some more subs to come to the channel and subscribe as well. Share. I get emails from individuals saying thank you for posting the videos. I get that often, and I thank you. I thank you. I get people in the comment sections thanking me for posting these videos, whatever the case is. I get emails from individuals saying that by you sharing the information, it has helped me have not educational, but more information or improve my conversation with individuals that are in the trading world. They're able to talk with individuals and know what they're talking about. So, I'm just no different than anybody else, guys. I'm just a individual that started studying the markets many years ago, took it upon myself, and had interest and passion in doing this, and that's why I do it. So I just feel by posting these videos, I just wanted to, from the beginning, just hopefully, just kind of help or inspire other people to want to do the same thing. Those that I know that are people out there every single day. Somebody's probably, scouring the internet or researching information about trading and starting their adventure trying to learn how to do this. So, I don't have the time to be helping every individual along the way. But like I said, if I can help one person 1 month and then show them and help them, and then the next month maybe do the same thing. But I'm not charging anything. So take that as, just for what it is. Like, it's a great opportunity. But I'm giving away something for free for you to help me, in a sense. It's like, and not just by helping me, but helping the channel grow. You're helping lots of individuals. You guys, by me doing what I'm doing, posting these videos and showing how I trade, or showing my trade sessions. But if you guys help grow the channel by getting more people involved, then what that does is it helps. It grows the network of individuals that can, see the channel, view the videos, and you help other individuals as well. I'm not just in the game for just just wanting to well, I'm not gonna say just help one person or two people, whatever the case is, whatever it takes, But I just want to be able to help as many or touch as many people's lives as I can through my trading sessions, whatever the case is, through my videos, and hopefully that it just inspires lots of other people. So that's the beauty of growing a network here on the channel through the platform and using YouTube, and that's what I like to do, guys, is be able to do this. There's so many individuals that have channels and they charge services, they charge for tangible products, or they charge for all kinds of different things, and I don't want to get involved in doing all that. I just want to be able to just grow the channel organically through you guys as well by helping out, and then we can go from there. And I will stick to my word. If we can get the channel to grow and continue to grow, and we can do these mentorship things. Not everybody may be able to get the opportunity. It will be a raffle, and there'll be some individuals that may not like the idea of, well, I didn't win this time. Maybe but you may have another chance. But you also have to understand, I'm one individual, and I'm sharing what I know. So please, 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 please understand that it's an opportunity. It's a blessing at hand. So anyways, I'm going to stop before I start ranting on. So anyways, I thank you guys for watching the video today. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subbed, please go ahead and subscribe today if you like the video content and want to join the team here. And and that's pretty much going to do it. And also hit that little bell icon. That's a notification icon that lets you know, or lets you know each time or notifies you each time that I post one of the videos to the channels or whatever the case is. And that's all. That's all for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe if you're trading today, and I wish everyone a happy holiday if you celebrate the holidays. So, thank you for watching the video today. Take care.